fam, that's what they call me. I promise that you'll never be lonely. Be the fam, that's what they call me. I promise that you'll never be lonely. Be the fam, that's what they.
Hello my beautiful people, this is Eva TV program. Today I want to talk about mothers in general, most especially the one in Europe. So why I talk about the ones in Europe? Because the ones in Europe, they get opportunity past the one in Africa. Because even this situation, wetin happen to this korokoro, the ones here, the teacher, they teach them through internet. Why the one when dey Africa, they not see. Now only the one when be say them be people when eat full hand, children. And then get the opportunity when the people when they here see. So now make I want talk about we when we dey the Europe. So the problem be say, you see when this thing happen, most parents they not get computer for house. Now even the government can't they tell them say who knows say not get make it can't take. They can't still they try they help them, even give them make them use. You see, these parents when they see so, most of them get the money to buy, but because of stinginess, because no be them concern. Now the children they won't carry that money, save them, take go they feel good. Now it make them not buy you. They don't care about the pikin. All waiting they just know about themselves. Those parents. If you ask them why you don't buy this thing, no, the pikin never reach to get computer, never reach to get laptop. Why the father? If the pikin not reach, why you not buy? Because you stingy to buy am. You go calculate the money because they think how much they will take mold block and how much one bag of cement it will cost. Now that one being just in home priority first. You don't think about the children. Forget say when that pikin grow up, if he becomes somebody tomorrow, the pikin na him go know. You no go think na about him own. Now you want first feast. But some of them they be single mother, which some of them not really get. They not see buy. But for here, I did here before you see woman when you no go fit say make her gather money, make her take buy that computer, make her put for house, make my pikin make them use. Even these children nowadays, as them small rich like this, they know when they enter that place, they will enter and dig many things from up. They will even teach you many things. You get what you want to do, you know fit do am. The children say they will tell you, sir, mommy or daddy, I know I will help you. So through there, they learn many things. Then they learn many things. So I know now say maybe many of una will use this one learn sense well. Una wey no wan buy before, make una still try abeg, make una help una children. Go buy and put one for house, yeah? All those phone when they use, don't see the teacher, they know they fit use and work for them. Now that laptop, now that they see everything, it will clear for them. They will fit, and many things they when they be say them will want store inside. Now that's a laptop and computer, and I ain't get the space when wide, when everything will they enter all the file. So now so make una try, not be only una self na just dey think, una just try dey think about una children. I want talk about another thing again. This one when the children, most of them they don't know, they just they come up now and they need somebody when go they support them after their school, like you go support them say for their homework. And you, the father and the mother, maybe una not know. May we talk true. Most of the people when they here, some of themselves not even know any. They know they sabi read at all. They no sabi read. Some don't know anything. Some they really go to school, but the language they don't know. So if you see and say it dey like that, it dey hard you. Make you know the staging. Try go find one teacher, so that after the school, you go dey teach that pikin. Go teach those your children. If you no fit get am yourself, you no know how to go about it, you go to common. From there, they will tell you where to go. or if you get assistant socially, those welfare, they will talk to them, they will tell you, they will plan with the teacher, you come, una settle the amount. If na 2 times in a week or 3 times, depend on how your pocket reach. Tell am make they teach that pikin, so that the pikin will understand. Not be say the teacher will come dey complain so of our African children, they will come dey say and they don't know anything. No, you go teach them because of all these things, because when they talk to them, they know the true understand am, because really they don't get extra lesson. Even all these white people, then they take other extra teacher for them after the school, which I know most of my friends then get. Even me, when they talk to una, so I still take teacher before, when we know they get time. When be say I no fit teach them, I no feel like say me now I will teach them, because me I no understand them, because the language different from our language. So you get to be say person when you understand them very well. So their father now they teach them. So that time when their father they work for another place, they come only for weekend. So I get to look for teacher for them, so that make the children don't go fuck up for school. So now so they arrange. So may you try, occupy your time, occupy your sweat for the children. If you not feel give them by your own brain, you still use your own strength. The money when you get, you still use them on them. Now the reason why make you born those children and be that. Not do like the ones when we say them they Africa. Now only to born they just know. They're only to born. Now they know. Most of them will not be all of them. The one when get sense, they know where to be children. They know the value of children. Not be the one way will just come sleep with man. You don't born be that. They pack them for ground. They find sister or brother when will come help them. They take care of them. Those one they don't know where to be children. So you won't get the opportunity when they here, when you they work. Make you still give your children the opportunity to live. And again, you when government they give money, may you use that money, may you use them to find their life for them very well, make them study very well. And again, may you still they carry them go, most especially activity. Not be say go just come out for school, come house, come sit down. No, still find some activity like sport, give them. You will try to know which one they like. If na basket, if na football, if na lawn tennis, if na swimming, if na dancer, if na anything, if na rugby, anything when they just like to do, you put them. Ask how much. The one where you know say your hand reach, make the child to understand say this one my hand no fit reach am, but see the one when I fit pay for you. May you try go whether you like am. I think you hear. So you will try put am, make it they go there, use that one, see they wipe away the child. They blend with the society. Not be the one where you just come on for school, you don't come house. The next thing now don't start. And make I tell you now, one thing when una will know, when una will understand, it's just like now, language, the country when the child is there. If you know they hear am very well, and you know your tongue not fit pronounce most of the words, not they speak am for the child. Just try. If na English you dey speak am for that child. Don't make the child just know say na that one he dey speak, so that when he go school, you know where they make mistake. So he go dey confuse. Because we most African now we they do that thing. The language we want make pikin hear all language once. No, if not your language you want to they speak for them for us, they speak them for them. But that country where it dey, if you know they hear the language, you know not speak them for them for house. Because na small pikin, now that bad one when you they speak, now you will go school, you can't go they speak am. You know we can't know how to speak the real one. Now there the problem they come when you see that they say your pikin know they hear Italian, or you know they hear German, you know they hear this, because you know they speak the real one. So not spoil the pikin language. Make am to speak the one when you will fit speak. Make you still dey try carry the pikin, you go stroll for the city, stroll everywhere. You fit travel. I know say e no easy, but you will try. You dey gather the money small. Before you know, the money don don reach now we'll travel, make them to know many places, so that when their mates dey talk, dem sef will belong. Carry them go out, go eat at times. When una go dey house at times for weekend, una go just go stroll, carry them go all these fast food, una sit down and chop, or you go even restaurants, try. No be say because you no eat like that food, you dey deprive the pikin make e no eat the food because you no like am. Remember say that food you dey eat am for school, so make you still dey carry am go out, make you dey go dey test different things, see feel of life, make you see life. No give that pikin the life when you no get, you want make the pikin too not still get am. No, e no good now. Make you think am, you think, try give the pikin good life. They say when you are in Europe, you do as them, not do like say you still dey for that bush when you for come, because everything we wan just be only ourselves, we no wan think about the children own. When the pikin come now, una fit sit down, una go just dey parlour with the pikin go dey talk, because wetin dey happen na be that. We Africa, pikin go wan talk, maybe he wan talk to you now, you just dey talk, or you and your friend na sit down for house there, una wan, the pikin just come, mommy this, or daddy this, he say keep quiet, this pikin too talk, you talk too much, this pikin too dey talk. No be pikin dey talk like that, pikin need to sit down. Or he wan ask you question, you too dey ask question. Pikin no dey ask question like that, you start to dey bring all those traditional talk on, say pikin get to hide inside im room when he see stranger. No, this is a free world, this is a new generation. Children need to speak their mind. Speak their mind. If they no speak out, how you wan know about them? Abeg, if pikin wan talk to you, lis ten to am, because e get some kind word when we wan talk, e get some kind things when we go happen for where e go, so e go wan tell you, so that make you give am some advice. So with that speak out, when e wan speak, e go come give am more chances to dey close to you, to just dey express he or herself to you. Maybe something happen, or bad friend talk to am, say make we do this kind thing. If the child not free with you, e no go tell you, e no go tell you at all, e go keep am. And that one, when that im friend tell am, that im bad friend, na im go dey in head when he wan take dey act. Now he wan take dey act. So you need to dey close to your child, so that you dey understand, to know wetin be im problem. No be say you just abandon am make e dey live dey go like that. Even though you don reach the age to live alone like that, dey move around, when you come back, play with am, laugh with am. My son, where you go today, how e dey, wetin dey happen, how you enjoy yourself, where una go, with small talk, small. You go from there, go open up to you. From there, you come dey free. But if he wan talk to you, maybe you can't tell am, maybe tell you one thing when bad, you say you are stupid, why you do that, why you stay that kind place. You no go get the mind again, you go shock, that fear, you go grip am, you go hide that secret inside am. When be say na outside, you go come dey hear about your pikin story, the discussion when he's supposed to discuss with you, he no go fit discuss with you. Now from outside, now another person will come dey tell you, say see wetin this pikin tell me, I don't get am. As a friend like that, the child no fit talk to am, na me. You go come tell her, well, ask am wetin dey do you, explain to me. You go tell, say you see, because you see the way you take dey talk to me. If say my mother dey talk to me like this, it won't put ear for me to explain. I for dey tell her. So na me convince this girl. I talk to the mother, I talk to the girl. So today everything don dey okay. Then they relate fine. So that child don't feel misled by any friend or any other thing. So may you dey try, at least just create a little time. Na fit watch film together for her house. Na go out, even cinema, na fit go. Na go look. You carry them go stroll out, make them discuss with them, mature to mature, like say them be your really paddy. So when you dey do those things to them, they will like am. I think you understand. So abeg, make you no use their money wey belong to them. Go dey take am. They buy clothes, buy jewelries, they go party from one party to another. dey make the world see you. At the end, the training when you supposed to that money when you use to dey buy all those things, when you for take care of these children, you no go use them again. Na for fashion. The fashion will talk to you later when you don old. Make you remember, say these children, they are your hope of tomorrow. They are your life. No matter how everybody abandon you, they will remember you. Depends on how you build it. So may you build your home the way you will feel lie down inside. So if you build and half, now that half you'll get. If you build and full, now that full you'll get. So make you try win your children's heart and make them to be your friends, your brother, your sister, your everything. Now this little advice na me I carry come today. For those of una when una dey share my video, when una dey subscribe, when una dey like, I say na my God go dey bless una. Una no go ever lack. Any bad thing no go ever come across una way. Una really thank una very well. Abeg make una still continue dey share my video. Make una dey make comment, make una dey tell me, make una no worry. If una know say e get something when una no like or when una like about the video, make una just write something for inside that comment section. Make una tell me. And again, make una still dey follow me for my Facebook. The name na Abel Christopher. My Instagram name na Shallow Dan. Make una dey try dey follow me. Abeg, make una try and press that like button and subscribe. Thank you, and God will bless all of you.